What's up, my lovely YouTube world? You know, it's your boy Director J, 4162-876 Jamaica. And yes, people, you know, right now I'm sitting down in my car. A long time I said I'm going on a car vlog, you know, just sit down here with dog. If you see the description already, you know, it's electrical and dumping up the land. We should probably reach right, and now we just have a one talk about the crime rate going on in Jamaica. Same way, and if that try stop on from go back home, cause me don't put my foot in it already, you know, people. It can't stop me no more, you know. Just know, say when you go over there, so on that side of the island there, you stay out of people way. Alright, that's all we have to say. But don't make it stop here, my people. Don't make it. I think Jamaica is gonna come back to a better place. Right? I just can't wait. Can't wait for them drop the new law with the gunfire law what them have for people to get 15 years. I just want them drop it. I think them drop it, but it like it not working effectively. Or them do some gun honesty program. I want them to drop it effectively. So when by the time we people ready for go back home, we're okay. Make them go and kill off themselves over there. Come on, know where them kill off themselves over there for. That me want to know them people. What's on the island for you to kill off yourself for? Nothing over there, no. But nice sun and blue waters and, you know, trees and waterfall and good food. And them not fight over that. Them a fight from one look around the corner and one look around the scheme. Like me come from the ghetto, you know, Spanish home I grew up in, Central Village, you know. And what them a fight over, I see people come and dead. And what them a fight over, they suffer. I know me can't understand. Alright, see the day my family sent for me for come to Canada or Toronto for come live. That was the happiest day of my life then. Because them rat they down there so it eat them own. My brothers and sisters out there. I don't know to say it now go nowhere. You know, see, like, you know, hard people work from over these side of countries just to build a house, just to go back on a little vacation, just to go have a one fun. You know hard some of us have to work just to have one vacation. Then get you work 52 weeks. How much? 52 weeks in a year. And them only give you 2 weeks vacation from your full-time job. And then when we get the 2 weeks, the 1 week of a plan properly. And then Father God bless you the next week, so we are going to take if we go down there, so. Or go for anywhere in Europe on a vacation. You think it easy? Some people can't even afford to take them 2 weeks vacation there. More time. One time, I want my virgin or my brother. He must get a 2 weeks off. And you know, say man have to spend him 2 weeks go work a cash job. Because the man have no money for even go on vacation. You understand? So when people take them hard-earned money for come to Jamaica, I have to go on vacation or go anywhere. Don't think we're rich. Don't think we have it all. No, we don't have it. Some people have to all put on all $100 every month to save up. So the one time when they go have all a break, they can just a boom and cut and happy. When you see all a one man and a one woman come to Jamaica and a splurge and a rent the most expensive car and buy the most food and got the best party, when they come back over here, them not have nothing. But you know what them have to do that for? For calm, feed them soul. And say, listen, I work too hard over foreign. For can't come back to my yard for come have fun. And when me I see them crime rate that make it stop weave one coming back there. Not even vacation, I want to come to Jamaica for some time. If me ain't build this house at Jamaica, I don't think me I go back there. Although me love Jamaica like cook food. But the crime rate that deterred me if you say, yo, God damn Republic. Me love that every time. Damn Republic bad enough my people. But when me the damn Republic, me feel so safe. Me feel so, me a walk at, me go there, me go Susua. Me walk a Susua all day and night. all till 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock till sun goes up, sun goes down. You can't touch the tourists them over there, you know. They are protected by the government. So Jamaica need to enforce something for the tourists them, or if the tourists them have on them wristband and stuff, you know, so them people, they are tourists. So the regular people of John Public who live over there, so you know what, can't do them people, they nothing, you know, because the rules and laws so harsh. The punishment what them forget if they touch a tourist, then better them just rethink themselves. I think the government need to implement something like that. People now always see me I drink a coffee. Yeah man, I'm a daytime coffee man, catch you. I edit at night time, so when you see me come right and do a one daytime vlog, I go back here and edit it and sit down on my computer for the next 6 hours straight, back up to 11, 12 o'clock from about 5 o'clock. Yes, man, people sit down and edit photo shoots and music videos and weddings and stuff, you know. So, people out there, if you're not going to have any weddings in Jamaica and need a photographer or you'll have a photo shoot, or people or artists and need a director or you just want a photo shoot in Jamaica, I'll be there in the winter time. Okay, well, I will update you all. And also, if you guys want me to tag my Instagram, I really don't want to mix my Instagram with this YouTube thing. That's why my Instagram people over there don't really know that I'm doing this YouTube thing. This is just promoted just on YouTube, and I just leave it on YouTube, you know. But let's get back to the topic. You know, say right now reach the process of doing the electrical and dumping up the place. So while they were doing the casting and stuff like that and the finishing, the rendering of the walls and my stuff, right, running a problem because we'd have to dump up the place. So if me know, say, me da run out them problem if I'll dump up the place and stuff. Me da dump up the place from before me even put on the roof on the house. You understand? But like me say, at my first time I build a house, and the mason man should then, or the contractor them should let me know and say J blah blah blue blah blah. It's like sometimes you pay them people here and them don't really care about your project, you know. Them just care about the money and how much money you have to give them, and from them get the money, them don't really care. Yes, they will do them job, but you as the homeowner or the person and it's your project, you have to give an insight and say, okay, what is this? What are you doing? What you have to ask, be a question then, man. Because them will go there and fuck up your house, measurement them off and this and that, and one of them couple, the window man install the window them, and the man call me from foreign, from Jamaica, and say, what kind of fuckery job this? You understand? Me have to send back the mason man and say, listen, the window man told me none of them in a line up, and people haven't been back to Jamaica since 2020. Yeah, over a year now since I started that project, so I don't know what's going on. You understand? So now we dump up the place and we have to pay for dump, we have to pay people for bring them in. I just a whole heap of extra costs. So when I build house and thing people, and I put on our $50,000 US or $5 million Jamaican just for extra costs. Yes, just for extra costs. You understand? So throughout the video, and I go see where I dump up the place and stuff like that. And excuse me, people. And the electrical work where I get done. So I'm getting now with the electrical side of it now, people. Make sure say when you get a certified electrician. Alright? We know about the rules and the laws. So when you're about to go apply for JPS, you know you will be passed. Alright? So you have to have the right type of wire them. Cause watch out now, my people, this is what even hurt me the most, you know. Last year code is not this year code when it comes to new house. So now me have to go after me done put in my pipe in them, electrical pipe in them, and run my wire have light in the house, you know. You don't know, so I just go and run some light off. Yeah, I don't know. You know them one day before because nothing really ready for the house yet, so we have to go up on our light post, bam, 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 you know, and so I go on, so we see the light work, so we can pay the electrician, right? But yeah, we'll talk about that in the comment section, yeah, my people, alright? So we just leave that alone. But last year electrical code is not this year electrical code, because now them upgrade the electrical coding. So now when me link this electrical man again 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, him a come tell me, say, listen, see when me do downstairs last year, them would have pass it. But now this year, them tell me, say, we have to change out the wires. I don't know which wiring and something like that. Them tell me, so now I have to go change out them wire there. So now me I look on it and I say, what kind of thing is? So now I do the upstairs part now. The wiring for upstairs. And the upstairs cost me more, almost the same thing as downstairs. I remember downstairs are 3 places, 3 room, two bedroom, 2 bathroom, and 1 big living room here with kitchen, And the one upstairs are 25 by 30, And y'all tell me say that cost me about over $120,000 worth of material, people. Just because of the new code, the new law where them say, yo, blah, 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 blah. It have to run this way and run that way. So make sure you go through them things first. Well, let electrician think can cost a whole heap of money, man. When you try to run the wiring through your house, man. Because remember, them have to dig up at the wall, them have to run the pipe, them have to do all of them things there, my people. You understand? And then now, them go slap you, with a fat check. A fat bill to my people. So yo, sometimes you have to sit down and just say, yo, you know what? Just save up your money. Me not lie to you. Just save up your money and then you put it down upon it. That I best way I can see it. You say, alright, you know what? Next month you go do electrical, the other month you go do the plumbing. And then you still have tiling for do. You still have painting for do. Remember, 1.5 gallon a bucket of paint right now, my people. How much that mean pay? It's expensive, people. 1.5 gallon a bucket. Me know say about cars. Me just ask the local normal can them, right? 2 gallon or 3 gallon, they call them. One grey for upstairs. And that alone, remember my cousin tell me, say I run me about $8,000. If one cook can paint, So 1.5 gallon bucket of paint, it run about $30,000. Painting not cheap, electrical not cheap, plumbing not cheap, and the worst part of the tiling next. I don't have no money for tile no place. You know me, I go down there, go do people. Then vinyl, I gonna put it on the floor. And that's so it will be until we have the money to finish it. Cause it's not easy. See right now, I'm sitting down in my car. I beg for them give me 2 days for next week for call. It's hard. It's hard. Look, if we still do photography and video production, we get a 1-2 bookings here and there. But if I never for that, my people, I don't know, some people can't do it, but me can't do it. And I love money. But back to the electrical thing again, my people. Make sure when I get the electrician guy, he knows about all the rules and codes from JPS. So when the JPS guy come to your house, or whoever supposed to come to your house to pass your house, you know, if you redo back over your house and your plugins and all them stuff there. So before you do anything, alright, me I thought for the people them more own of the rural area and not the schemes and stuff, because them they have to pass by ministry, and a lot of people now them just build, right? Like myself, and you have to go to a ministry or the JPR parish council. But now a lot of places the parish council is going down on them, hammering them. Alright, and unlike one time you can just go build up. Right now a lot of places people are telling me that them have to go through parish council. If you're looking through the comment section, me that talk about this from the previous time. A lot of people say yes, the neighbor never have to go through, but when me start building my house, me have to go through it. That's what them say. You understand me? I try some people. So it all depends on how you go buy your land, build your house and stuff. Right now, I'm going to tell nobody to go build no house, because if you're not there at Jamaica, and two, when you're there at Jamaica, you just have to have a whole heap of money for go build all the house, man, the people. Like a 3-bedroom house that costs all good. $300 to $30 million to $40 million. It all depends too on how you want to build the house. Because it can even cost way more money. So sometimes I'll tell people, say, Just go buy a fixer upper and nice it up and go back a foreign. And make sure you buy them place in a good area and an area where gang activity over this and gang activity over this. And I'm a fight for the local scheme right here. So you don't want to live in them place to call crossfire or wrong person or this and that. But I go buy my land and people are go to and live around this, you know. Me live with the animal them people. Me talk with the cow and cat and dog. Before I go around them human being, them people them wicked at road, you know, man. You say every day I watch the local YouTuber on the spot, my view, politics watch, you know, through and the crime just don't stop. So now you as a man, you sit down right as a woman. You see all of them crime rate there. And then you do all the electrical on your house. That all just stop all some people and say, you know what? Electrician, nobody do nothing. Just stop right there and just leave it alone. Me I think about me reconsider it. If I really want to finish this property right now. I saw a whole heap of people I go think right now, man. Crime here just bad, but don't make it stop when you go back home, you know, my people. From you know your heart clean. You clean everything. Just go around some clean monks people, my people. A whole heap of people uptown and never hear a gunshot yet, you know. I'm not even say uptown. A whole heap of people in Jamaica whenever hear a gunshot yet, you know. Them not even watch Jamaican news, you know, my people. Them so stay away from the culture down here. Them think a foreign them live. For sure, you know, my people. And them people have to go hang around with, man. Don't come from foreign and go sit down here and no ghetto, you know, boy or girl. Boy, you chill out for 2 hours. The 2 hours they can cost your life. You think me could leave from Toronto? And I said, me I go back down to Central Village. And I said, yeah, my father still live down there and people them still know. But when me go down there, saying my people, me stay right in my father's yard, you know, man. I want so 1 or 2 times through my shop. 1 or 2 times in a blue moon, me sit down outside the shop. And me have to know, say, how a fully peace in our community. Yeah, man. Before me make them type of strive, me say one last year me down there. I'm stop off, I come from up at the house, I'm stop off over there. And a lone gunshot me hear over one place on him compound. Bam 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 bam. My father said, let's go, it's your time to go, let's go. Go back in your car and go back uptown. I know, cause me no like hear gunshot, you know, like me hear them things that were from me a baby I grew at Jamaica people, and it's like it left something in my head, people. As soon as me hear gunshot, my body just tremble, my mind just, you understand? Cause I grew up in a violence thing, so why me don't want to go back in a violence community? No man, my people not smart up, man. No smart up, no build, no get up. They get up, remain the get up. Unless they go for some bulldoze and bulldoze every damn thing down. And you can't do that because when I get to them have some house there, you know, people. Them have some house worth all $1 million US and I get to, you know, that me make some money know, you know. Remember one place beside me when we used to live down there. The personal house, about almost a 9 bedroom. Big wall house, people. Big. You must come in an apartment complex in the ghetto, you know, my people. So no get take it lightly. But them people are idiot. Because they get a big gunshot and war always are going down there. So why would you want to build such a massive and expensive house in the ghetto? Where you see them wanna go afraid, none of you pitting them now wanna go there. And when you pay for build the house, you're not gonna get it back. Because you build it in the ghetto. But make you build all the house in now some nice place in Mobile or St. Catherine or Uptown Red Hills here or Pembroke or whatever good nice house in over Portmore. The good areas. Or you build that in a one gated community, my people. Cha God, man. And the next thing to you know, my people, a lot of us is building these places for Airbnbs. You can't have no Airbnb property where you want rent out all of one room in a no ghetto. We're not going there. You understand that, what people? We're not going there. But one second, my people, be back. Sorry, my people, somebody that called me, but like, yo, people, so I'm thanking for the support, for the last video, I go about 80 subscribers I get from the one video there, my people, have a respect on out there, you see? So I just want them to like and share, people, and continue supporting the youth, because you don't know, so we're on a journey. Next year, when the villa finally finish, I want to pick up a couple of lucky subscribers who want to see always a comment and a share and stuff like that. Can give them all a free stay at the villa, at the dream house. You understand what I'm trying to say, my people? So, I ask them to please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy 416-876 Jamaica, my people. And on Instagram, it's Director J. I'm a photographer, I'm a director. I do every damn thing. You understand me? I try to say, my people, but I just want to thank you again for the love and support. Alright? And the next topic I try to touch upon the people who's asking for the glass guy that I have in Spanish Town, the guy who's make the windows and stuff and install them. I will be including him in the next 2 or 3 videos down the line. Okay, my people, me don't forget about Uno. But me just do it process by process so you can see his work in the videos. So if you want to contact him and call him, you can contact him and call him. But at least when you see how him doing work, so you know, say, yo, is this guy legit or if him professional enough for Uno? You understand? So that's why I've been waiting on. Alright, my people? Same thing with the land guy. I have to ask him permission first and see how much land he has. I haven't gotten in contact with him since, right? Because me lose the number, so it's in my next phone, so me I got to find it and contact him and see what's going on. Alright, my people, so don't think me forget about that. Same way again, my people. A whole heap of video I go drop right now, because I'm way far behind, and next 2 months or now from now December, right? So in December, I have to show you the content when I Jamaica. I want to catch up to the house there right now. So you can see. So when I go to Jamaica, I'm showing the house, have a surprise. I'm like, oh wow. You understand me? I try to say. Because right now, a last bit with the pan on my people. My eye looks already. At the last bit with the pan right now, my people. With the pan the plumbing for upstairs, the electrical for upstairs right now also. And the window man I put in the upstairs window them also. And after that, I paint the roofing, paint the walls them and tiling, and lock up the house and do the washroom and stuff like that. And then it will be livable. But I not gonna do me want to do the kitchen. I don't want to do it like them put the concrete and stuff. I want to put in real shelves and cupboards, the foreign style with the modern way. So we have to go wait for save up that money to get that done also. But people, don't make nothing discourage you from go back home. Right now, me that tell anybody who live overseas like me, buy a place in Kingston. Buy a place uptown, like one of those apartments. The new apartment, mortgage it out. It will pay for itself. And sit down in a foreign. That place where you have down there can pay for your place here. And you live. You just work and go travel and live, people. If you have money, me people, Jamaica, listen, don't make this crime rate falling, they know what they do, They know what they're doing, because when this crime rate start go down low, you can buy a piece of land in a no good area in a Jamaica again. Remember, I'm telling you that, people, so I'm taking the time right now and save up on the money. And just go there and go buy what you have to buy, man. Just buy. Even if you want to do nothing with it right now, people, you just buy it and left it. Get your paperwork, and but if I'm like, I buy it and I block it around. Just spend the money for block it around, because retainer will you make back your money, because if you sell a piece of lot and the retainer will gone run fully and gated, people are buy that off of you like hot fire, hot bread. You understand? So I say just buy it, gate it up and left it. Nobody now come in there. You gate it up and you lock it up. You plant some fruit tree, you plant some banana tree in there, and you plant, and every year, if you have family member down there, you tell them to go reap it and give you the food. If them want to sell it, them sell it. Simple as that. You understand? You plant it up until you're ready for it, man. Or you plant around it, or if you know you're going to build a house right, you plant big trees around it, and you know? Simple, man. But again, people want to just like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you know, my people. I beg on you, know, more reach 1,000 subscribers before the year done, you know, my people. I want 10,000, but you don't know, say, it not look so. But I think I like do the car vlogs, you know, my people. They make me know I want to go how the madness stay. Because I think I going to do a couple more car vlogs. Because I think I just like the vibe. And I just sit down in them car and just do a 1-2 vlog. And also, people, I'm going to start a new playlist on this channel called Toronto Walk By. So I'm walking at different neighborhoods and downtown Toronto, Scarborough, West End Road, and showing you the place. So if you want to see some contents like that, and just drop it in the comment section. So, and let me know which part of Toronto to want me for videotape. Also, alright, my people, but you don't know, so I'm going to leave if you know, my people. You know, come for chat for too long, you know, but you know, just keep them cut 1-2 topic. Like me say, attack we talking, my people. You understand? Attack we attack. So anything just jump to my mind, I just boom, I hit with talk about. You understand, my people? Things that people don't want to talk about, I discuss, we discuss, I will talk back in the description. You understand? When I come back over here, we drop a next video, I want to talk about it again, you know, my people. Like I say, what we do, people? Talk we attack, right? Some people want to do what? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, you know, my people. Alright, so after that, you don't know, so when the electrical done, dumping up done, you don't know, so I prime, you go prime out the place and stuff like that. You understand? And then we get the window, you know, concrete, you know? Alright, but we have a whole heap of more video come up in there, my people. A whole heap more videos, man, people. I just want to just like, share, and subscribe, so by the time we reach all a yard part, and I see everywhere we do, every video we do a yard, my people. We do go catch some fish, we do waterfall, we do photo shoot, we do wedding, we do music video, and then as I come with my lifestyle. This is the lifestyle of Jay. You understand, my people? So I just want them to do what? Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, my people. Push it out there, man. It make people hear my words there, man. See me look an ugly face. I try to look good for God, Jamaica to, you know, my people, but stress I go lick me down. But we can't make you lick me down, you know, my people. Just go and drink a 1-2 coffee and call it a day. So what I say, want to know, people, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.